Paint rack build scene 2 take 1. Hi, welcome to another video from TOGAtech. In today's video we're actually taking a break from our flight simulator build due to the fact that my K40 Chinese laser has exploded. It was pretty much my fault. Due to the lack of coolant flow, the laser overheated and it's cracked the tube. So I'm waiting for a brand new laser tube to come from China. In the meantime, I want to get a little art station built up so I can concentrate on my 3D modelling and some model kit builds. So in today's video, we're going to go from this to this. Let's watch the build. So I'm starting here with a sheet of 5mm foam board. This is an A0 size piece of 5mm foam board, and I've marked out on it all the panels I need, and I'll leave a complete list to all the materials at the end of the video and the dimensions of each piece. But what I've done now is I've just marked out the foam board, and here we are, we've cut out the pieces, and now we're going to start the assembly. If we first start taking the two side panels and these four step pieces, now these are the pieces the shelves are going to rest on. So we get those. We've also got a base panel, and the back panel, we've got four of these. These are the actual shelves that the bottles sit on. They're 25mm wide. And then we've got some other pieces. This is a 30mm wide piece, 45mm wide piece, and finally the front panel, which is a 63mm wide piece. Right, so the assembly, we take these step panels and the end panels, these are your side panels, and just glue these, glue the step panels onto the side panels, just using a bit of PVA glue. So that's the first two pieces complete. Now we're going to attach the two side panels to the base. I'm just using little pieces of masking tape just to hold the pieces in place until the glue goes off. PVA, or this PVA, actually took quite a while to set, so I would recommend using some hot glue or some super glue, cyanoacetate glue. The two side panels in position. Now let's just glue up the back panel. Oops, made a little mistake there. You don't need any glue along the top edge. Just remove that glue. Okay, that's the back panel on. Again, a couple of pieces of masking tape, just hold that in place. Right, I'm going to leave the commentary there and just let you watch the video. It's all pretty much self-explanatory. There's a complete materials list at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on TOGAtech.